If you are searching some hottest haircut, I think you are in the right place. Don't skip this video, you will find the best haircut idea for you today. Oh my gosh. This barber just got in and give him a perfect low tapper with chip of line. We are moving to another one, and oh my gosh, I don't know why these people love to have that type of white stuff on their forehead. You don't need a pencil work, bro. You need to look natural. Yeah, it looks better now. Oh my gosh, that's a huge transformation. Oh my gosh, we have most beautiful haircut of the day, the comb over. Yeah, the low mid fade for brushy hair, spiked hair. My bro got some spicy mid fade. A mature haircut for this mature face. Bang! It's really important to have a haircut that will suit on your face shape. It looks sharp, the high temp fade. We have also repeated this haircut, but yeah, it's worth it to repeat that haircut. I don't know why, but this that type of short hair I really love to watch that type of short hair, and this guy have literally mature face, and he also get a perfect haircut for according to his face shape. Bam, my bro got perfect mid fade, and yeah, it looks pretty handsome on that guy. the modern crop with low taper fade. Wow, that was sharp. Bam. That was also most beautiful haircut of the day. That's because of I love short hair. Oh my gosh. That haircut was just flawless. And guys, that was the last haircut transformation of the day. I hope you had enjoyed all of this crispiest haircut transformation. Thank you so much for watching videos. Don't forget to subscribe, turn the post notification to get updated for any upload.